So in the last video, right, we discussed about some infrastructure problems, right? Infrastructure DQL queries, how you can create that put it in the dashboard. Now, the next, right, how you can create a metric base. So metric base, how you can do that? Suppose I'm looking for service request. Okay, so I will go here. Title I can give traffic hyphen service request. Okay, now select the metric. So what metric I'm looking for? DT dot service dot request. So basically I'm looking for service request count. Okay. Now, so I need a sum value. Select an option. So let me delete this. A split. Okay. A split by. So you can take a value dt dot entity dot service limit 20. Okay. I can have now reduced to single values. Then option you can take okay. Sort dt dot entity is so I need some value. Then I can take sum of dt and I need which order? Descending order. I need limit should be in descending order. So I can run this. So I got the data. So in the visualize, I should have a honeycomb. And I don't need any legend. I don't need, so color coding you can understand, okay? So color coding, you can have something, something that you can have, okay? Like blue, green, yellow, whatever thing. So custom color you are looking for, then you can have this. If you're looking for a color plate, you can have something, okay? So this is your traffic service request, okay? Now, what else? So I'm looking for latency service. So let's create one more. I'll go with the metrics. I'll give latency service. Service. Okay. And I'll give the metric name. So what metric I can give? dt dot service dot request dot service request response time. Okay. Now I can go with the So I can take a percentile value and percentage you can give something like 50, 60, whatever things. Now a split by I can leave DT, so service only, entity dot service. Now I can go with limit. Now I can go with reduce to single. Then I will add one more to I need a short. So dt.entity service reduced by average, short by reduce. Okay, single value. So average, and this is not required. I can take a limit of 100, whatever things, 50. It will take time to fetch the data. So I will take a single honeycomb. I'll remove this. Okay. Color coding you want. I can go with orange pink. So this is your metric level data. Okay. You can understand it, right? Now, what you can keep that? So I can keep like same. I can keep for errors. I can keep for. So let's do for errors. Errors is more important. So I will go with again metrics. Okay. So errors hyphen service 5xx select a metric. So same dt dot service dot request dot count. Now I will go with the filter by. Okay. So I'm not taking first metric. So I'm taking filter first. HTTP with status code greater and equal to. So this value I can take. Which value I can take? 500. Then I can go with AND operator and HTTP response code. Na? Response code should be less than equal to, sorry, no, less than equal to 599. So not only I should go with this value, I should go with this value also. Oh, it is not accepting. That's the problem. Less than equal to 5, 599. It should accept actually. Now I can, so I'm getting the data. That's like fine. Then split by, I can take dt dot entity dot service and this I can remove it right now, reduce to single value, then I can add it, sort, so single value I can take to sum. sort by service request count. And I need descending order. And I can add my limit also. 100, 500. You can do that. Visualize, I can go with honeycomb. I can keep this off. I can everything. I'll keep it off. Yeah. Now let's run this data. Getting that color you want, then you can do the color coding. So I do this color that has a red blue. So you can understand, right? This has a blue. So this has a error. Now, same way, if I'll go with 4x, so ensure let me duplicate. And let's see whether we can do some changes, and because this is the metric level, right? 4x. Okay. So what else? So I will go with first data. So HTTP request counts, it should be 400. And this should be 499. So that's what I did. Okay. And everything should be same. That is the region I'm doing. Oh, sorry. This is not a 40, should be 400. Okay. Now run this. I'm getting the data. So you can keep it 4x. Now let's do the some what else. Some now for this error, right? Let's do some DQL query based data. Okay. So traffic service request. So now I'm going with DQL giving okay. So this I'm getting it. What else? Now visualize should be line chart only. Okay. Color you can take categorical. Unit format we can keep. Okay, something count value. Count and this we can keep as a 0. Okay. Now what else we can do? So this looks fine. Let me keep it go top. So you are getting service and you are getting service request. Okay. Now what else? So I need 4x error and 5x error. Okay. So I will go with again DQL query and I will go here. Service error 5x. So what I can keep is I can run this data. Okay. I'll go to the visual. Line chart is fine. Okay. What else I should do? Only unit formatting. I will go with the font value. Make it here. Okay. Move this to here. So here you are getting service details. And when you click on the service, right? See, automatically will become a single line. You see. So it will be difficult, you see, right? So now you are getting that. So you are getting that clue, right? So why you are doing that? Now, next, DQL KD. Let's do for 4x. So this is for 4x. And keep this part. Title, I can keep. I run this. So I will go this. I will go with color. That is fine. Yeah, color you can take little dark level, blue string, fireplace level. No, that has a lot of rails cut out, you know. Then unit format, you can have a font value. Okay, so hope you can understand now. This I can keep it little here. Just a minute. Okay, so now this I can keep it like this. This I can bring to here. No. Okay, fine. I'll keep it a little bigger. Okay, so this is my 4x. Okay, now what next? I should keep that data. So can we have infrastructure level also? Some memory, something like that, okay? So let's keep one for infrastructure I'm doing for, okay? So let's do for first metric level. So I'm giving for process CPU percentage. So saturation process CPU percentage. Okay. I'll take a metric so you can understand dt dot process dot CPU. So you uses You can take average value. This looks good. Split by, I can take process group instance. Okay. I can have one more, then reduce to single value, then sort by limit. Okay. So you can take average value, then select opinion, process CPU uses average of. Okay. And I need descending order limit. You can make it 50 euros. Okay. Okay. Now I can keep this. I can take as a what honeycomb, and I go with color, some custom color. No, threshold no. I'll go with some blue mosh. So that doesn't had red. So pink green you can take. So that has a red. Okay. So this we keep. Now same I want to have with the DQL query also. If you want to keep it off, you can make it off. Now let's see the DQL query. So again, I'll go with the new right DQL query. So saturation process CPU percentage. So I will go with saturation process U percentage value and go with your DQL query. So I will go with my this so you can see. Okay. So now I need line chart only, but I can go with threshold changes. Unit format I will go. I'll take a user's value. I need percentage auto and decimal you want either a single value, a zero point 0.0 value, whatever you want. Okay. So that you can use it and put this here. Okay. And keep it little bigger. So this part, so when you click on this, it's getting highlighted. But the problem, if you click on here, so you can understand this. Okay. Now let's use memory also. So let's do saturation process CPU. I did. But let me do one thing. Delete this and let me duplicate it. Okay. There's a metric with right. So what I can do is keep memory and EM memory percentage. Now what I can do is, so I can delete this and I'll go here, metric, select the metric. So metric name I can take, dt dot process dot memory uses. Okay. average value split by, I can take process group instance. I can add reduce to single value. I need sort also. So I need average and DT average process memory uses and limit should be 50. Okay, run this. This part is done. Now this part is done. Now I need memory, so I will go with here DQL query. So just saturation, process, mem uses, mem percentage, DQL query. Okay, got the data. Line value. We'll go visualize this single legend. I'll keep it off. Unit format and uses auto. Yeah, I will take this. Keep this length a little bit. Okay, so what I did, something I made it off. There. Should not required. Now what else? Oh, legend and okay. Threshold I don't want to give. Now, so got it, right? So now we got it. Process memory uses also we got it. Now let's add one more. Okay. GC time. So I will go with metric. So saturation process GC percentage time. Okay. So what is the metric? So this is the runtime, right? So it dot runtime is a JVM related, no? So JVM suspension time dot, you can take GC in spite of that, just to type suspension time, you will get it. Okay, suspension time. Now, so a split by process group in, oh, sorry, instance, single value sort. So I need average. Select values would be average of DT runtime JVM GC descending order limit of 50, 100. Okay, this is done. Visualization type should be honeycomb. What else you want to take it? Let me take it out. Okay, this is the one value. Let me the color coding. So blue, I don't need it. I'll take a pink green. Now let's do in the DQL query as well. So DQL query, you can write it. So I'll put this. Okay. Now again, proxy, we run this. So you are getting the data visualization. I'll take a single. I will do the color coding little bit. This no. This it. Okay. So this we can keep, and threshold you can add. So suspension time, percentage value. Okay. Now, so let's move to here. So now CPU memory percentage, I'll keep one more value here, memory used. Okay. Yeah, you can take saturation memory. That is fine. Okay, so I hope you can understood, right? So now you can easily understand. Okay. So what is your how many problems you have, your environment, how many we have total problem, how many requests, what is the latency, errors, what are the types of errors for cont, CPU, memory, GC time, then service. Okay. You can understand the each service, then service request traffic. So this is you have that little bit. so that you can understand this is a 5x error, how you can behave to 5x error. Okay. Then this is your 4x error. This is your CPU percentage. This is your memory percentage. This is your garbage collection suspension time data for each process. You are see each process you are getting it. So if you limit you keep it 100, you can keep 100. You can keep a limit for 20, 10, whichever is right, and you can keep some ascending order, descending order, so that data will get flowing, right? So that this is the way you can do that. Okay. So hope you have understood. So these are two videos, part one, part two. Okay. So you need to watch it both to understand the complete dashboard. Okay. And all the query, whatever I've used, right? I will put it in the comment section so that you can have a copy paste all those things. Okay. That's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching.